Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and today we are going to learn how to increase downloading speed or you can say overall speed of Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. All the steps are very easy, so make sure you watch this whole video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. Just open your Chrome browser and the very first thing you have to do is you have to update your browser. For that, go to right top corner and click on these three dots and then go to help. In this help section, you have to click on about Google Chrome. Once you click on about Google Chrome, it will start checking for updates. If there is update available, it will start updating automatically and you will see this message, Chrome is up to date. Once you have updated your Chrome browser, then go to performance. And in this section, you have to find two settings, memory saver and energy saver. If these both settings are enabled, you have to disable these both settings. Your Chrome browser will work full-fledged, because if these both settings are enabled, it will use resources which will slow down overall performance of your Chrome browser. Once you do that, then just scroll down and you have to enable this setting, preload pages, and I would recommend set on standard preloading, right? Once you have set on a standard preloading, then now you have to go to extensions. And here you have to find if there is any unknown or unwanted extension, you have to remove those extensions from your Chrome browser. Because if there is any unknown extension installed in your Chrome browser, it will slow down downloading speed and overall speed of your Chrome browser, right? Once you have removed all unknown extensions, then go to this address bar and remove extensions and type FLAGS Chrome:/flags and just hit enter, and this kind of interface will open. Here you have to click on the search box and type PARALLEL. You will see this parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate downloading speed. Now you have to click on this drop down menu, and if it is set on default or disable, you have to set on enable and then click on relaunch. And if you restart your computer, it will be better, and after that it will definitely increase your downloading speed and overall performance of your Chrome browser will be way better than earlier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.